Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome again to my YouTube channel where we give you update on what is happening in Nigeria, Africa and across the world. Of course, you heard that the former Senate President, the person of Ekweremdu, is being arrested and outside the country over an accused case that Ekweremdu is involved in organs traffic harvesting. Okay, so I'm going to be giving you update on that. But before I do that, please hit on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, and drop your comment in the comment section. Okay, let me read this brief article to you. Then also you drop your comment regarding what you had. Ekweremdu's daughter needed a kidney. All right, so that is a major thing that made the former Senate President to involve, former Deputy Senate President rather, to involve in organ harvesting case. So Ekweremdu's daughter actually needed a kidney, all right, and he brought in a 15-year-old homeless boy with illegal obtained passport stating that the guy is 21 years old or was 21 years old. The boy was promised a better life, of course. He's a poor boy straight from the street of Lagos. The former Deputy Senate President has actually denied bail. Okay, so, and of course he should have a lawyer. Of course he should have a lawyer, but he was denying bail. The defense argues otherwise in court. Organ harvesting court denies Senator Ekweremdu and wife bail applications. Reveals the victim is a 15-year-old homeless boy from Lagos. The Osbridge Magistrate Court has denied former Deputy Senate President Ekweremdu and his wife Beatrice bail application after they were charged for bringing a child to the UK, to the United Kingdom, for organ harvesting. According to Arise TV, the court denied their bail application and the case was adjourned till July 7th. Arise also reports that the prosecution revealed that the alleged victim is a homeless 15-year-old boy who was brought to the UK by Mr. and Mrs. Ekweremdu from the street of Lagos. Recall that the Metropolitan Police, in a statement on Thursday, said that Beatrice Nwaneka Ekweremdu and Ike Ekweremdu were charged to court on Thursday following an investigation by the Force Specialist Crime Team. The police added that the investigation was launched after detectives were alerted to potential offenses under modern slavery legislation in May 2022. The statement read in part, Beatrice Nwaneka Ekweremdu, which is 55 years old and was born 10th September 1966 of Nigeria, is charged with conspiracy to arrange, facilitate, travel of another person with a view to exploitation, namely organ harvesting. Ike Ekweremdu, who is 60 years old, that is, was born 12 May 1962 of Nigeria, is charged with conspiracy to arrange or facilitate travel of another person with a view to exploitation, namely organ harvesting. Senator Ike Ekweremdu and wife reportedly arrested in UK for organ harvesting. 2 Nigerians have been arrested by the UK police for conspiring to traffic a child to Nigeria for the purpose of harvesting the organs, Daily Mail reports. Metropolitan Police in a statement said that Beatrice Nwaneka Ekweremdu and Ike Ekweremdu, a former Deputy Senate President, who are 55 and 60 years old respectively, have been remanded in custody and will appear at Osbridge Magistrate Court. The police confirmed that Ike Ekweremdu and his wife has been charged with conspiracy to arrange to bring a child to the UK to harvest organ in their home country, Nigeria. Charges were brought against the pair following an investigation let me take that particular line again. Charges were brought against the pair following an investigation by the Metropolitan Police Specialist Crime Team. Police, however, said the child has been safeguarded but did not disclose the gender or the age of the child or the location of the arrests. The report suggested that it is likely the suspects were arrested at Heathrow Airport since they are appearing in a court in Housebridge. The investigation was launched after the detectives were alerted to potential offenses under modern slavery legislation in May 2022, the force said. Alright guys, you have heard what really happened now. So let's look at it. Nigeria has been making mockery. They said Ike Ekweremdu spoke wrongly against Peter Obi, and that is why Nemesis has caught up with him rather. So but the fact remains that his child need kidney transplant. But the question I want to ask, Ekweremadu is a man, though he's advanced, but he can still donate. Why don't him donate? Why must he go and bring a young boy, an homeless boy from the city of Lagos to donate kidney? Is it how the rich take the poor to be? For them to die and save them? Well, I don't want to say much on this, but seriously, it's really bad. I hope justice is being served, okay? I hope justice is being served. All right, guys, thanks for listening. God bless you. My name remains once again, Aka Jesus. Keep subscribing. God bless you.